Hello, my name is Bryan McGlynn with MarineMax, Stuart, Florida. Today we're bringing to you a 2022 Boston Whaler 230 Outrage. Very nice boat, well appointed, above and beyond with equipment. So starting here up in the bow, we do have the windlass anchor, glacier green hull side. This boat has primarily been lift kept. It also has a trailer included. So it's usually stored out of the water. It does have bottom paint for the occasional time the owner would travel with the boat. Here in the back, we have the single 300 Mercury V8 upgraded to white engine paint. Under the hardtop, we have the color match glacier green underside. Those are outriggers you see up on the hardtop. This boat also has autopilot installed, upgraded Raymarine hybrid touch screen, JL audio throughout the entire boat. Upgraded upholstery, custom tackle center underneath the helm seat. This boat is one to see. We'll hop on board and give you a quick walkthrough here. As we start up here in the bow, this boat does have the upgraded upholstery package. So we have the sea gray upholstery throughout the entire boat with the bow seating upgrade, which means you have the coaming bolsters all the way around with the seats as well. Windlass anchor up in the front, JL audio stereo package throughout the entire boat. We have a nice comfortable helm seat or console seat up front as well. Storage underneath. Underneath the hardtop, we've matched the hull side color. Glacier green. Moving back here to the helm, this boat really stands out electronics wise. So one thing very unique for a 230 Outrage is autopilot. We have a Raymarine autopilot installed, 4-inch Mercury vessel view, Raymarine hybrid touch screen, Raymarine VHF, Fusion audio with JL speakers throughout, and then you have all of your windlass controls. Another unique thing is we actually moved our battery switch up here to the helm instead of having to reach into the console to turn that on and off. Lenco trim tabs, upgraded new generation Mercury throttle with active trim built in. Battery charging system, as you can see, the boat is currently plugged in. We have a real comfortable leaning post, flip down bolsters, independent bolsters with the convertible backrest that folds back, as you'll see in the photographs on the listing. Here in the cockpit of the boat, we have a nice spacious fishing area, rod holders all the way around, live well in the port side corner, 2 big fish boxes in the deck, and then we do have the pull-out bench seat. We're powered with the upgraded Mercury 300 V8. The engine has always stayed covered the way you see it here in the video. That is the white engine upgrade as well. Up under the hardtop, you have your outrigger bases with your outrigger pulls up above. That's something else very unique for this 230 Outrage. We have undergunnel storage. Again, a very low hour 230 Outrage. We have 179 engine hours currently. This is a great opportunity. Please feel free to give me a call. Again, Bryan McGlynn at MarineMax, 561-635-6811. Trailer is included with this boat as well. Thank you again.